Hello everyone, welcome to Milan Nemo. Today we just received a coffee grinder. I found it at a marketplace here in Indonesia. So this is the package. This is a stainless steel coffee grinder with a burr grinder made of stainless steel. You can see the specification here, and let's open these things. We have a brush to clean the grinder. So this is a manual. This is what the grinder will look like. Let's see inside. Oh, so this is the knob to grind the coffee. Oh, it's so exclusive. It is made of wood. And then we have the grinder body. And the coffee ground container made of glass. This is made of metal or aluminum. I think it's aluminum. Let's open, so you can hear the sound. It's made of glass. The coffee container made of glass, so it's fragile. Look, Mr. Revash is playing with the kettle. So here, and we have number and size: fine, medium fine, medium coarse, coffee bean grinder. So this is the burr made of stainless steel. Let's try to open it. Here, I'm going to open this. Has numbers. God bless you. Here's the grinder. The burr, I mean. Look, it's made of stainless steel. Very well built, I think. It's conical stainless steel burr. Thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. And it looks very exclusive. It does look like a grinder with price tag of 100 to 200 and also $100 US, but the price of this thing is way cheaper than those grinder. So it's only around it's under $30, $30 US. So thank you for watching, everyone. Have a great day. It's made of wood, metal or aluminum. This is made of glass. Thank you for watching, everyone. See you. Have a great day.